All right, guys, here we are with the Sonicwake. Switched to the X645 prop for a little bit more jump out of the hole. And we've got the DragRace app, tells us 0 to 60 on here. Got some Graphenes in, they are not new. But we're gonna see what it does with the weight of the phone and the GoPro on there. Should still break 60 with no problem. We're gonna find out. It's a little choppy, but the extra weight might actually help. Alright guys, so this is pretty much what I was looking for. So we just did a 0 to 60 in 2.4 seconds on 6S. Top speed of 62 miles an hour with the weight of the phone and the GoPro. Guys, that is cooking on the water. 2.4 seconds, 0 to 60. Obviously, if I play with it a little bit, I think I can work that down. But I just wanted to get an idea for where they're at. And yeah, that's moving. Stay tuned, guys.